Hello everyone. In this video, we would like to go over simultaneous equations. I'll do 8, I think, or 9 examples. In this video, you will learn all the cases of the simultaneous equations. So the first example here, 5x plus 3y equals 41, 2x plus 3y equals 20. To solve means find x and y. So we first look at the numbers in front of the x and y. So we have 5, 3, 2, and 3. These numbers are very important. Now we need to know which ones are equal. In front of the y's, there are 3 and 3, and they are equal. That's very good. Then we look at the signs of these 3 and 3. The 3y and 3y, they are both positive. So if they have the same sign, we subtract the first equation from the second equation or the second from the first. So I'll do this minus this. Now 5x minus 2x is 3x, and then 3y minus 3y is nothing, it's 0y, so it cancels. And then you have 41 minus 20 is equal to 21. Now you got 3x equal 21. How do you get x? Just divide by 3. Then x equals 7. That's very good. Once you got x, that's not all. We need to find y. To find y, we can substitute in this equation or this one. The second equation has smaller numbers, so I'll just use the second equation. So instead of 2x, it will be 2 times 7, because the x is 7, plus 3y equals 20. 2 times 7 is 14, plus 3y equals 20. 14 plus 6 is 20. That means 3y is 6 and y is just 2. That's it for the first equation. So to conclude this, we first look at the numbers in front of the x and y. If we find equal ones, we look at their sign, and if the signs are the same, both positive or both negative, we subtract. Look at this example now. 6x plus 4y equals 32. 2x plus 4y equals 16. It's similar. The 4 and 4 are equal, so we subtract equation 1 from 2. So 6x minus 2x is 4x, and 32 minus 16 is 16. Divide both by 4, you got x equal 4. And then find y by substituting in each of the equations. Equation 2 has smaller numbers, so we'll use it. So instead of 2x, I'll write 2 times 4 plus 4y equals 16. I replace the x with 4. Now 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus 4y equals 16. 8 plus 8 is 16. That means 4y is 8, and that means y is 2. That's it for this one. You got x equal 4, y equal 2. Now let's look at a different example. 4x plus 3y equals 27. 4x plus y equals 17. We look at the numbers. 4x and 4x are equal, and they are both positive 4x. So the signs are the same. So we subtract equation 1 from 2 because they are both positive. So 4x minus 4x is nothing. You will have 3y minus y, which is 2y, equal 27 minus 17 is 10, I think. So 2y equal 10. That means y equal 5. To get x, substitute in any of the equations. We substitute in equation 2. So it's going to be 4x plus y. We know y is 5. So it's going to be 4x plus 5 equals 17. 4x plus 5 is 17. That's what number plus 5 is 17? It's 12. That means 4x is 12 and x is 3. You got the values 3 and 5. Let's look at some different example. Now here, we first look at the numbers. 5 and 3 are not equal. 2 and 2 are equal, which is very good. Then we look at the numbers in front of them, the signs I mean. This is plus and this is minus, so it's different signs. So we add. So we do equation 1 plus equation 2. 5x plus 3x is 8x, and plus 2y. Add minus 2y will cancel. So you'll have 8x equal 15 plus 5, which is 24. Do you get that? Because these two are equal, so they will just cancel each other when you add them. So 5x plus 3x is 8x, 19 plus 5 is 24. That means x is 3 because 8 times 3 is 24. To find y, substitute in any of the equations. I'll use the first one. Do you know why? Because it's positive numbers. Whenever you need to substitute, try to avoid negative numbers. It just confuses everyone. So 5 times x plus 2y equal 19, and x is 3. So it's going to be 5 times 3 plus 2y equal 19. 15 plus 2y equal 19. We know 15 plus 4 is 19. That means 2y is 4 and y is 2. You got the values, x equals 3, y equals 2. Now this different example, try to pause and solve this. Now 3x and negative 3x are the same but different signs. So we add 3x plus negative 3x will cancel. 2y plus 4y is 6y. 7 plus 5 is 12. So 6y is 12. That means y is 2. To find x, we substitute in any of the equations. Avoid the negative numbers. So we substitute into equation 1. So instead of 3x, I'll just write 3x. Instead of 2y, I write 2 times 2 equals 7. So it's going to be 3x plus 4 equals 7. Now, 3 plus 4 equals 7. That means x is 1. That's it for this case. Now, let's look at this. X plus 2y equal 11. 3x plus y equal 13. If we look at the numbers in front of the x means 1x. So 1x and 3x are not equal. 2y and y are not equal. In this case, we can't add or subtract. We need to make one equation look like the other. For example, if we multiply the first one by 3, we'll have, instead of x, it's going to be 3x plus 3 times 2 is 6y equals 33. Now, the 3x looks like 3x. Then we can add or subtract, just like we did before. So what I will do is I will multiply one of them first. So we multiply the first one by 3. So the first one is going to be 3x plus 6y equals 33. And the second one will be the same. Now, what we will do is we will subtract. 3x and 3x will cancel. And then y, or 6y minus y is 5y. And 33 minus 13 is 20. So 5y is 20. That means y is 4. Now to find x, just substitute in the first equation. This is easy one. Now it's x plus 2 times y, which is 2 times 4, equal 11. X plus 8 equal 11. That means x is 3. Do you get this one? Let's look at this example here. Can you think of something to do here? The x, 2x and 3x are not equal. Y and negative 2y are not equal. But what if we multiply the first one by 2? If we multiply the first one by 2, it's going to be 4x plus 2y equals 16. Now if you compare 2y and 2y are equal, so we can add, because it's different signs. This is minus 2y and this is plus 2y. So let's do that. We multiply the first one by 2, it's going to be 4x plus 2y equals 16. And then we add, so you will have 4x plus 3x, which is 5x, and the y is cancelled. And then you'll have 16 plus 5, which is 21. So you have 7x equals 21. Divide by 7, x equals 3. Substitute to get y equals 2. Now, this one is yours. Can you try this and comment your answer? I'll just go quickly over this. The number should be 2 and 3. Try it. Now, the last one here is similar, but we need to multiply both. If we multiply the first one by any number, it will not be equal to the second one. So I will multiply both. Maybe I can multiply the first one by 5. So this will be 10x. And I multiply the second one by 2. So it will also be 10x. Then we can do the same. We can add or subtract. So let's do that. Let's multiply. Make y match. I'll multiply the first one by 4. So that it will be 12y. Because 3 times 4 is 12. And I multiply the second one by 3. So it's 4 times 3 is 12. So the y will match. So if we multiply the first one by 4, 2x times 4 is 8x, 3y times 4 is 12x, 11 times 4 is 44. Now multiply the second one by 3. So 5x times 3 is 15x, 4 times 3 is 12, 16 times 3 is, I think, 48. Yes. Now, have you noticed the x are not equal, but the y's are equal? 12y and 12y. But the signs are different. This is plus 12, this is minus 12. So we add these equations. If you add them, 8x plus 5, 15x, I think it's 23x. Yes, equals 44 plus 48 is 92. 23x is 92. That means x is 4. Substitute to get y equals 1. Do you get this? Please try the one I told you to attempt and comment your answer. And please let me know what could be better in this video. Thank you for following. Bye.